Sunburn.
Help! Help! Help, mommy! Help, mommy!
Peyton is fine.
Help!
Hey,
Help! You want it? You're good.
Peyton, it's okay, buddy. Breathe. Breathe.
So funny.
Breathe.
Ew! Okay.
You and me, Bo.
You better leave before another one.
I think you just pooped on your shoe.
Ew!
Better in my head.
There's one on your hip.
Where'd he go?
Now he's up.